Hey there, renewal candidates, maintenance of certification, MOC, MOC, mock, whatever you want to call it. I have a program called Renew Like a Pro, which you've all heard about, and it is amazing. But the VIT options on the inside, the very important teacher options, that's really where it's at. The icing on the cake, the sparkle in the diamond, the final piece to the puzzle. It's on the inside where you can sign up for things like a PGE review. So you know before you get deep into your process that your PGEs are good and worthy of the rubric. Tech support. If you don't know how to cut your video, because in the MOC process, not initial, but MOC, you can make cuts in your video. If you don't know how to do that, you need support. There's tech support on the inside. There's also an opportunity to meet me one-on-one in meetings so that I can help support you and help think out loud with you to bring back all of that goodness and wonderful stuff you've been doing that you've kind of forgotten and suppressed. And the read and advise of your final portfolio for MOC candidates only. These are all an extra cost, but they are for VITs and they're only inside of Renew Like a Pro. So I say to you today, be the CEO of your own PD with this first class journey into growing really big. And make sure that you understand the early bird gets the worm and not the stress. But I do have open enrollment year-round here at TraceyBryantStuckey.com, which is central to the Renew Like a Pro program. So I hope to see you on the inside. I can't wait to support all of my very important teachers.